something went wrong today morning. It's part of my family, but it's also part of you guys also. Last night I was hearing him. He was talking a lot. It was a bird. His name, it's hard to say his name. It's hard to say his name. His name was Echo, and when I wake up in the morning, 7 a.m., this happened, but we can wake up. I wake up at little late at 10 or 11, and I saw him that Echo is dead. His leg was up. When I saw that, I was so disappointed of myself. I was so disappointed. He was with us for 9 years. 9 years, guys. 9 years. I know a lot of you will say he's a bird, you can buy new one, but no one can be like him. He was saying our name, like my name, Kian. He was saying my name. He was like saying my family names. He was saying a son name. He was 9 years old, man. Birds, all of them, like they're talking birds, all of them have around 40 years life, but he died at 9. Nine years he was with us. 9 years, man. 9 years. I just came to bring this vlog for you guys, that you guys will know of it, about it. That's why I start to do this vlog for you guys. But don't worry, I hope so. I will have a lot of videos of him that I can show you guys that he was very kind of us. He was very happy. He was very kind. He was a very, very nice bird. He was so nice. I have a picture of him. Actually, I know that man's not cry, but he cannot, because 9 years he was with us. When I was like in grade 4, my brother bought that bird for me, Echo. He bought it for me when I traveled. I was in Iran. On that time I was not even starting doing vlogs. It's hard to talk. I hope so that you will be in better place, and as you saw my TikTok videos and my Instagram videos, you saw that I put a sad video because I'm so sad for him. I hope so he will be in better place, guys. Please pray for him, please. If he can hear me, it's better. Please be in better place. You're very good bird. So you're very good bird. Please be in better place, please, bird. Please. Today my mother, she went to the hospital, take her to the doctor, and they opened her stomach. My mother, she told me to come there and vlog, but I don't want you guys to see of it because it was little disgusting, and I don't want you guys to see something disgusting. That's why I don't went there. They opened her stomach and there was like having a bad sickness, like oil. Her oil was so up. I hope so he'll be in better place. We put her, one of my mother friend somewhere, we put on the ground. I love you, Eko. I love you so much. I love you. I love you so much, man. So much. So much. But my cat is right now in front of me. I don't want her to be sad of me. Silver, if you can hear me, you are also the best one. I love you also. Please don't be seem like him to be sick. Please. I swear to God, if something happened to you, I would be very, very sad. Very, very sad. Very, very sad. Please, okay? Please, man. Don't worry, tomorrow will be a nice vlog. I'm a little sad today. And I hope that Eko will love every one of you. And Kian Mo is out. Bye.